In this video, I will show you how you can reset your laptop to like new again. For that, go to the search bar and type settings, open it, go to system, scroll all the way down till you find recovery, click on it, and under recovery options, at the side of reset this PC, you will have the button to reset PC, click on it. So there are two options that you can choose while resetting your PC. While remove everything will clear all the data, including your personal files and documents, but keep my files option will have your personal files and documents while removing absent settings. So I recommend keep my files, select it, and here there are two options, cloud download and local reinstall. To reinstall Windows, I want to select local reinstall because it is fast. So here you can see it will restore apps and settings which came with this PC just like when it was new, and reinstall Windows from this device. Click on change settings. You can choose these options based upon your choices and click on confirm, click on next, and here you can see while resetting it will change settings back to their defaults, just back to the point when you bought it. It will keep your personal files, reinstall Windows from this device and remove all apps and programs. Here you can click on view apps that will be removed, and you can see these apps will be removed while reinstalling the Windows. Go to back and click on reset. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to Mac369 and hit a like.